Uh, okay. I think I'm ready now. I don't know how this is gonna go. Let's try it. Huh? Is this not? Okay. Let's try it. So recipes are right here. Yes. Now, this is still hard coded to read the F1. Uh, yeah. Okay. I was hoping that like with the time off, I would have some kind of like epiphany to come back to coding and be like, "Oh, this is how this is done." Blah 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 blah. Nope. Uh-uh. Hey, what's up, Java? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Long time no see. I hope to see you sooner, but how you doing? Or more often, I mean. Currently, I'm trying to figure out how to reactively show things on my form, but it is not working out. So with these lines, show that. And with each corresponding line, I need. Should I just hard code this? Ooh, tell me about your travels. I never put a thumbs up. All right. Um. So let me try F2. What does this do? Okay. How can I set up something that listens to this? Wait. Default here would be what? Uh, default selected value disabled. Oh, oh, that's cool. I did a full workshop in Nairobi. Oh, it's cool. That's cool. If something is so constant that it doesn't really change. Yeah, but I want to like figure out how to make it more reactive and more, I don't know, for any Safari. Hmm. Next time. What just happened? Why is my what? I'm confused. Why is it acting like this? Okay. I feel like um Black Cat is gonna love this playlist. Oh, just you wait, Black Cat. I'm gonna link it and you're gonna like it. First, work on functionality. This is an make it do the things you need it to do. After that, polish the stuff. Yes. E- it's this. This is what I needed to do. But it's not changing. Or wait. Wait. Hold up. Let me try something. I think I may have already tried this. Wait. I haven't tried this before. Oh no. And it's breaking it. What? Oh, because it's not iterable. Selected line. Where's selected line at? This is a different get. Wait. Let's try this out. So there's this equals line. Now I want to return. Yeah. Let's see if that works. Nothing works. Let me go back then. Let's try this. And then what's logging this again? Selected line. It's this. Let's try that. Ah, okay, it's gonna keep on doing that. But the thing that changes is at 112. Okay. Line. Literally line. Huh? No. No. Cannot find. Oh. Line. Oh. Huh? Line. Wait. Wait. Let's try something. I'm just trying whatever just comes to mind. Hold up. Please don't throw an error. Oh gosh. Or F1. Hmm? 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 Now. Yes. It doesn't work. My cat has the zoomies. He's going crazy. This sucks. Chat. Come here. You haven't had the zoomies in a while. Come here. Okay. You can get down at any time if you want to. But I just want to let you know that you're okay and you're safe. All right, maybe you're not okay to do that. All right. Thank you. Okay, I think it's not going to be iterable, I don't think. Or F1. Uh, hmm, huh? To be what? Doesn't make sense what this is doing. Maybe not. Doesn't make sense what I'm doing. Type subscription cannot be used as an index type. Yes, it can. I don't know what you're talking about. So in here, I really need. Or can I just call this? Why can't I just call it? No. Hmm. Let's try this again. It's gonna be empty. This is the craziest thing ever. Because I can see it in the console. Dot. Dot. Map. Over. Wait. Dot. Map what? Map heat zones? Dot map. Because it's listening for that. This dot heat zone configs. The 116 is what? Let's just make. What? Let's go back. All the way back. Okay. This is going to read what? This 116. Hmm? This one. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't need to do that. I don't want to do any of that. And then Zones. I don't need to do any of that either. Here, I really just want to return zones. Is that possible? Se- Why is that wrong? This. Hmm? That's not right. Line. No, it's a line. Dot value. Dot. It had it. Wait. Can you come back? Thank you. What's wrong with that? Does not have a type. Any. Huh? I don't want that. Don't break. You're not breaking, but you're still not. This is the craziest thing ever. Why am I blanking on this so hard? Just need this form to update it. Don't crash. Okay. Let's try this. Huh. No. No. See, like, no. It's no. Uh, this. uh, That's basically the same thing. I- Alright, taking that back. We're gonna figure this out, chat. Is there any way to get this heat zones object to show which line has been selected from the HTML select dropdown? The thing is, it was crazy. Would I be able to do that in TypeScript? It's- But like, it won't throw any errors. Cause like TypeScript is pretty finicky. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that in the microphone. I'm so sorry. What? Former rate name and loop over the controls. Can you help me do that in my HTML? Because I think I already have it. Please don't say this controls. Replace that with that. Curve doesn't exist. I don't like that. What is this? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. Okay, I'm not gonna get distracted. This song is great. Ooh. But it's not null. This does not update. I need this to stop doing this. This doesn't work. I'm tired of it trying to give me this when it does not work. This is closer to what needs to be done. But then that makes me go here. Sandwich sounds better. I've never been a tuna person. Be safe. Don't fall. Uh, dot. Let's try that. So wait, line. Get line. What is the value from here? Because on my select, the form control name, but what is the value is the line. What? So it should just update is not a function. Yes, it is. Why is it recommended me that? Like honestly, yeah, whatever. Just, yeah, whatever. Let's do that. Nobody made. Nope. Mm-mm. Probably because I don't like tuna. Yes. Yes. Now, is it possible this died? Hold up. Uh, uh-huh. Why? Why does it keep on throwing errors? Like, I'm so close to it. I need to get this value. I don't like TypeScript. Why does it keep on doing this? What? I need to console log this. Hold up. What does this look like? Is that. Oh. Oh, this sucks. So, new recipe. Please. New recipe. Dot heat zones. Why? Oh gosh. Like why? Okay, can I? Why can't I never use any of the values that I've set? This. I don't need this hard-coded value. I need this. Please. N Now at that point, block scoped. Uh, what? So I'll put this. No, man. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, block scoped. Your initial is that default line. Default line is what? F1. Or that. Now F1. Yes. This is not updating. I don't want to use this at all. Alright. Yeah, sure. Is it gonna mess this up? Oh well. Yeah. And then the changes. Yeah, whatever. Now, I don't really care about that either. So really, recipe. Yeah, whatever. Cause all it's doing is just. All right. What? And this is used where? This isn't even used. Okay. So, wait. Default line. Where in here? Hold up. What? But I don't want. What is the value of that? Huh? Let's try that. Man, whatever. Eh. Let's see if that breaks anything. Cool. Does it break anything? Okay. I need some type of understanding as to why this worked when my other things weren't working. Do I even need that? What is this doing now? This is really just console logging stuff. Right? Wrong, actually. Oh. This is updating that. For my zones in here. Oh. But if I do this, what happens? Oh. Oh. So I need this for the form builder array or the form group array. Interesting. This is what I want. This right here. Now, tag in this. Oh, this feels good. Don't put that controls mess in here. I need to put index length as well. Index length, index length, index length. Hey, what's up, Johnny? You came in just in time. I solved the problem that I was trying to figure out yesterday. I kind of feel better. Uh, Another thing. Do I even need that? Because, hold up. Hmm. One recipe that extends that these heat zones are going. Oh. Ah, man. These heat zones are going to be. Okay. This recipe also is going to have. There's going to be a number. This is not optional. F1 recipe. F2. Where else am I using this? F1. Heat zones. Okay. Index length is 0. And that index length, there's 0 recipe line, but also product name. Yes, it's going to have a product name. This is not negotiable. I don't think I need these. This. F2. Oh, yeah. That would be a good idea. Mm. So, everything that I put in here today, let's bring it up. That's not bringing anything up. That delete and delete this, my daily entry. What all did I do? No, 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 no. Ooh, that was actually F1. Let me go into Firebase. It would be cool if I could add an edit button, but I'll probably do that tomorrow or some other time. So, uh, let me ask this something. Can this go away? Let's see if you can recognize that. Do I have to download this? I don't want to have to download this. What? What blue? Hygienic applications? Huh? Pneumatic. I mean, yes, but no. I like that extension though. .lol. I just like the extension, the name of it. I'm in full support. No. This may be a defining factor or a defining moment. Hold up. However, you can. Man, I don't want to do that, but I may have to. This is horrible. It was playing time after time. I don't want to hear that in 2025. Ooh, what I can do. Ooh. What can? I'm confused. What happened? Oh, what it said? I mean, they have to be, so that Congress doesn't, you know. You know the game. It appears to be a closed of a hydraulic or pneumatic system characterized by. Can I move this around? Oh, cool. Characterized by the various. Suggest. I'm giving it a hint. to be in the right place. This is having a seizure. Gemini, get it together. I'm not doing anything. Gemini, get it together. Oh, glowing? This isn't glowing at all. I know what it may think that it is. It's not. It's not a cow rod. It kind of looks like it's glowing. This is just wrong. All right, fine. Gemini failed. Uh, Gemini failed. ChatGPT failed as well. So I don't know. Maybe it's just because like there isn't a big enough data set on what I'm doing. I think that's the problem. Um, there's that. Oh yeah. So I need this to look like that. Don't change anything. That's another thing. Label index length. Do that. Hold up. I'll be right back. Give me a second. I'm back. Hey, whenever I like take breaks, um, this is Flow. It's a Google thing, and this is all AI generated. It's basically like TV, but AI generated. So it gives y'all something to look at while like I do off stream stuff real quick, like get water and you know yeah. But nice to see you, Pixel. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? You know, I am actually, and every time I come here, oh, well, also, there's another person that comes in here now called Draken, and I try to speak as much Spanish as I can, but it kind of doesn't go well. I try my best though, which I should know Spanish better because I live in Texas, and Texas is basically Mexico. But like I said, I try my best. I try my best. There's many people that like are of Spanish descent nowadays that don't speak Spanish, and it's not really all that uncommon, especially here. Hold up, I'll turn this off. This is really weird, but I'll turn this off. I really can just keep on watching this, like this is to see all that they can do. You actually came in at a very good time, Pixel. Also, Pixel, are you lagging? Is your video lagging or chopping or stopping? But you actually came in at a good time because what I was working on yesterday and I got hung up on and I could not figure it out. Um, thank you. Was I'm trying to add a recipes page, but for some reason, whenever I wanted to, oh gosh, what do you mean you can't find it? Oh, that's why. Uh, Also the product name. Yes. Also the product name. Hold up. This is fire. Oh my gosh. Anyways, um, what I was trying to do yesterday was update this form whenever I chose a line to make a recipe for or to log a recipe, and it just was not updating. But now I got it to update. But also to understand what's going on or what my confusion was yesterday, I'm going to this okay, yes, it's Sade, but it's like a drum and bass like breakbeat mix. This is pretty cool. But I'm gonna have to use AI to try to understand and explain to me what I was doing wrong. And it's gonna be probably boring for y'all. But I really want to learn. Even though I got it right, I think I kind of like stumbled on the answer, even though it made sense, but I want to be able to replicate it. Yeah, only when it's fluent, like, do I consider speaking it? Yeah. Languages I can. Oh, well, that wouldn't be a bad thing either. It wouldn't hurt. Let's try. Is it gonna pop anything up in the? Could not find control. Um, let's add this. Oh, that's why. Yes. F3 is gonna be fun. because that has a lot of heat zones on it. Yes, I'm trying to make it mobile first. Trying to before the first iteration of it, like the margin in the padding was all off. And I was like working my way around it because like it's mine, so I had to like figure it out. But when I had came back, like you think it still has too much padding? You think so? Edges? What's it good for? Absolutely not. Oh, let me. Uh, uh, form. Let's try it. You mean do it like that? I've always wanted to do like mobile development, but I'm just scared of like using the app store. That's what I'm scared of. Like websites are like easily accessible. That's the only reason why I haven't fully dabbled into being an app developer. Always add the minimal padding. Okay, my philosophy on it is I want the things that are on the page to breathe. Let me hear it. It had me working for a couple months. You never learned to like it? Instead of all of your start fitting into the screen, you need to scroll where you could see that. Oh, I never thought about it like that. Thank you. Thank you. Hmm. Good observation. Between the fields. Now I still do. You still think so? For the name, I need to make the name bold. How much more do you think I need? Okay, you're saying I'm talking about. You're meaning. Wait. Ew. Why is this off centered? This is nasty. Huh? Why is this off centered like this? The more things I can check, verify, see on the screen, the better. Let me go back to mobile view. When you see F3's heat zones, you're not gonna like it because it has even more heat zones than this. This can be seen on one page, but F3 has like currently five different top heat zones, and that's not rail heaters. You can fit it. How would I condense it even more? Wait, I think I know what you're talking about. Just yeah. Okay, okay, we're cooking, we're cooking, we're cooking. Okay, what this pay? Okay, the whole app is how can I say it? Okay, what I'm using the app for is to like daily log what I'm going through and then working from there. So for all of like my daily entry stuff, I'm just logging what problems come out throughout the day from like my full-time job, and I'm using it basically to like teach other operators what to do because it's really not like any formal training in my like line of work. You just kind of like learn through experience, like through trial and error. And I feel like this could be like an almanac or like a Bible or like a source of truth as to like what could be done, especially like within my company, like my team. Like when I'm not there, when I'm not awake, stuff like that, they can just use this, whatever data comes from this, have AI summarize it or whatever, and use it to like not to to use it to condense time because I've been doing this for like half a decade. Why not? Wait, okay, not summarize it. Hold up. If they have a problem that they're currently facing, they can describe or ask AI like, okay, this is what I'm looking at. How do I fix this? And whenever I put in here, I already have like a log of like different things that could be wrong with like say like a cylinder or something. Yes, a knowledge base. Maybe I use summarize incorrectly, but I want people to use this to condense time as to like there. You would think that there would be like a YouTube channel on this stuff or some type of like forum or something, or there isn't any. There truly isn't. Like you can YouTube stuff all you want to. There's nothing on YouTube. And YouTube has everything. But what I'm building right now, today, I need to be able to log different, they're called recipes. And I need to, there are a lot of missing things on YouTube actually, which is growth, a growth opportunity for many industries. But what I'm building today is a thing called recipes. And like a recipe is basically a starting point as to like figuring out which heat zones to put whenever you're starting up a line, like a new changeover or something. Like I need my index length to be this value. I need my mold cycle time to be this value. I need all these different settings to be right here. Or else I'm basically like starting from scratch and I have no like starting point whenever I do a changeover. I'm doing this so that at least people have some semblance of where to start. Because as of right now, I'm just kind of like guessing, just shooting in the dark. Every single time I do a changeover, I'm shooting in the dark. And that's not good. Also, by the way, banger, banger. Oh, I haven't I haven't added that. Sorry, hold up. So it says add recipe here. I'm deleting that. So this should say, what should this say? Oh, the form should have a margin of at the top at least, top at least of 1 EM. What does it look like? Trash. 3. That's good. I don't need to delete that. What? You gotta be kidding me. There's no possible way. This is not a bad word. It's how I make money. What? By auto what? Man. Did I mistype something? No, you actually spelled it correctly. This is thermoforming. This is what it is. Man. Amazon is doing whatever they want to in these Twitch streams. Just policing things, doing naughty things. Actually, you're not wrong. Because I'm making plastic. And plastic, you've seen the turtle videos. Hold up. My H2 has a bottom margin of that. Let's bring that up. Recipe page. I'll just say add recipe. All right. All right. I can't put that on the screen. All right. I'm not going to, well, I'm just going to leave it alone. uh, so there's this. Okay. Should I? I'm going to put this next. Product name. Do that. Product name. Do that. Now. What do I need to do? Is that possible to put? What is this? Can I? Is it possible to? What? Huh? What happened? Who had to beat up? What? Well, you can't just do that. You. What happened? Huh? His country. What? Oh wait, he's really out. Please don't be gone. Please. I need to know the details. Wait, you already left? Mentally? Wait. Now I'm even more confused. So you're leaving your country. So Ever had it right. Hold up. Stop this stream. Hold up. Let's focus on this. Hold up. Now I'm confused. Which one are you leaving? And why? Does Ireland have does Ireland have snakes? Does Ireland have snakes? Ireland does not have snakes. What? And I made my mind today that I am going to leave my company. But what's the reason? Just for career growth opportunities? It doesn't have snakes. That's insane. Does it have crocodiles? How are West African crocodiles native to Ireland? That makes no sense. Understandable. I don't blame you. I'm tired of my. Let me. Okay, hold up. Let's pull up a calendar of some sort. So went to Atlanta the 11th. I came back, and my first day of work was the 16th of June. I've been working every day, and I'm not kidding, every day, weekends too, since I came back from Atlanta. I'm tired too. A lot of lies. Oh, that sucks. A lot of me having to man up and take. True. I don't blame you. Are you gonna post it on LinkedIn? Or have you already posted on LinkedIn? Ooh. Also, like, have you notified your team? Understandable. I understand. Yeah, I'm in the same boat. Me announcing anything will only make life harder. How long have you been going through this? What's up? I think I remember you telling me about that. That was 4 months ago. Are they just now giving you an answer back on it or something? A manager I know told me to talk to a resource manager on my department to move myself to his project. I'm at the edge of my seat. Was just starting, and the stack is oh, it's cool. It aligns. It aligns. Uh huh. Oh, but I forgot. You're more higher ranking than other developers, so that would leave your current team kind of short-handed. And he will do that. Uh huh. Uh huh. This past Friday, okay. From 4 months ago? It's all good. Cause I already know sometimes uh my video is like very behind other people. He said the project is almost over. What? What? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so sorry. Why would they what? Have you inquired as to why you haven't heard anything back? Yeah, it might be time to go. Yeah, it might be time to go. Well, they're gonna have to deal with you leaving your project now. Leaving the whole thing. Dang. You know what? This is crazy, Pixel. This is crazy how our lives kind of mirror each other because I'm the only operator where I am right now. Okay, wait. Are you starting today? Let's do something. Let let's see who can do it faster. Let's do it. Get on LinkedIn right now. uh, I'm just a yeah. It sucks being a lead because it comes with like so many different like responsibilities that you just have to like take on and just bear that aren't even really like you have to take accountability for other things that are out of your control. And it's like, okay, I can't keep on doing this because at some point y'all gonna start looking at me and like other people have to get their act together because we're all adults here. Other people have to get their act together if we want this thing to work. But if people are constantly just like putting off work and just like don't get me started. I dealt with this stuff today, but there are other people that can probably take the position with proper training. Well, you know what sucks? You're probably the person that will give them the proper training, but because they've treated you so badly, they're not gonna get the proper training because they just didn't handle their employees correctly. Sucks that it happens that way, but oh well. When you take things for granted, things like this happen. And I was literally offering and staying through to help onboard and the proper handoff. Now they just have to deal with a 1 month note. Ooh, you giving them a 1 month notice? Ooh, good. Good on you. Where I am, uh standard. I can't think of any other because I read something in the handbook. It was like either a week or 2 weeks. Standard over here is 2 weeks. A 2 week notice. 2 week notice. But there's also something like if it's an immediate thing, you can give them a week notice. Yeah, maybe you just too. Man, I don't believe that Pickle's taking any siestas. No, With how he's describing work, no, he doesn't get any siestas. Actually, I remember you telling me this. Whenever you take a vacation, the day before you take a vacation, everything breaks. Also, when you came back, how much was still broken? Had to give a 6 month notice? That's insane. Wow. That's insane. I can't imagine giving 6 months. You know what's crazy? At my last job, I just walked out. If you're regularly employed, it's 30 months from either side. Oh, that's good. At least they give like the employer gives somebody a notice. That's good. That's decent. Wait, Pixel, are we the same person? Just like in different places? What the heck? uh, Pixel is just Spanish me. Uh, oh. Hmm. After a certain time of employment, I forgot how long. I mean, I mean, how I can't imagine a world where so if you work there, let's say 20 years, they got to give you 80 days. I can't imagine a world where the employer gives you a notice that your role is going to be terminated. That would be like that would honestly like help with so much like mental stress that Americans have. EU has it great. Cause like in America, you can just get fired for no reason. At all. Like I've seen it at my company. I've seen it. People just get fired for no reason. It sucks, and I've never experienced that before. It's the most toxic thing ever. They got fired for no reason. They got fired for no reason. Oh, that wasn't the reason why you're leaving. Oh, it gets better. I wish I would have made popcorn. Yeah, chat. Bring popcorn. Oh, you're sleeping. Oh, actual value. Yes. I had a call. My junior did a stupid mistake. Huh? I would just hung up. I, I'll be honest with you. I would just hung up. Cause like, okay, there's either two different ways that would have gone. Either I hang up Or I'm saying what's actually on my mind, and that's not gonna help anybody in the situation. And it should have been done in a different way. Was she, like, all out yelling? Fighting back at her? Oh. Wait, how does this end up on you? I feel like you're just getting dragged into stuff. Let me Google anecdotes. Hold up. I've heard it before. Oh. All right. All right. You call them anecdotes? I call them gray hairs. No. It's on me because I'm the development lead and I should be making sure it do not happen. But I mean, you're not a babysitter. People can make their own decisions and should be held accountable for them without you getting yelled at for them because of them. And that is the reason why I trained the guy and I had like 4 calls in regards to that kind of stuff. Only let. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, nah. That's not. It's crazy because like you went out of your way. What happened? It just keeps on getting worse and worse. And that one was a big mistake. What happened? Oh no. What was his mistake? He pushed to the production repo. He force pushed. Oh. I can't cue that song up while this is playing at or before it. That would be insane. Ooh, it got bad. Yeah. If they're getting involved, yeah. That manager didn't try to
push it off on you, did they? That sucks. What is this? I'll allow it. The fidget situation, just by the way, I obviously had to sort out myself from happening again. I feel like that kind of stuff isn't even like really. It was actually pepperonis, but I feel like that type of stuff isn't even like really work related. Like it's just stress that doesn't need to happen at all. So like it takes time out of your day that you could be like making the company even more money. And them trying to drag you into it is like short sighted on their part. Like, and I get that like they want to get to the bottom of the situation and stuff like that, but I don't think that really solves anything. You know, speaking of that, what you're looking for, is it startups? I wanna be in a startup so badly. I don't think I wanna be in big tech or in a big corporation anymore. I wanna do like a startup kind of thing. That would be so cool. Ooh. Okay, wait. I currently work for a family-owned business. It's not what it's all cracked up to be. It's not a good situation. It's like whatever ever is or whatever Pixel's going through, I'm going through the exact same thing. Even worse, actually. What are you looking to like do though? If you start your own business, do you feel like you've learned enough, Pixel? You know what's crazy? I learned in my year of being at my current job now, I've learned a lot as well, but I've learned more importantly what not to do. It may sound messed up, but like I learned more about how what the decisions are that will like destroy a business rather than build a business up. And I feel like one, schedule, planning, stuff like just basic stuff, communication. And I feel like that's one of the important things that people just like gloss over in business is proper communication. If you have someone that's working on it like an important project, you should probably keep everyone that's working on the important project in the know and not just go on off of assumptions. Is below the average salary in my country while doing management work. Ah, that sucks. Is it possible to ask for a raise? Yeah, and I've like it sucks, but and I feel like it's easier said than done, and not everyone communicates the same way. But I also feel like that's where soft skills are made and why they're so important is recognizing that not everyone communicates in the same way and to like adjust how you communicate to the people that you're talking to. But people don't do that, unfortunately. Hmm. To not expect much this year, as it's been a bad year. That was crazy. I'm crazy enough to try and meet the goals. I don't know like how stressful your job is or how it is to meet those goals. But for me, I would do everything in my power to see if I can. Oh, never mind. Never mind. If you're relying on other people to appreciate, yeah, never mind. Especially with what you go through, yeah, never mind. Yeah, my bad. Well, LinkedIn is, I guess. Okay, chat. You want to get up again? Oh, that sucks to hear. But at least you have like an out, or you know what you want to do now. Do you feel like it would be to your liking though? Even though you said like they're telling you not to expect much, do you think it would be to your liking? Oh, they could surprise you. Ooh. Be optimistic. But I kind of meant that also a little bit seriously. Maybe move to a startup friendly country. I only mentioned Estonia because really, there's startup friendly countries. I didn't know that. Hmm. What time is it? Ooh, about time to start adding this to Firebase. What's up, chat? Oh, I didn't think about that. One of these days, whenever I get a big tech corporate job, I'm gonna travel to Europe just to see what life is like, to see if it's that much colder. I really just want to see the weather and the food. That's it. From a company last year. Is Slovenia hot? Uh, oh no. Uh, oh, okay, wait. I saw 60 and I was like, that's not hot. Never mind. Oh, 96. Wait a minute. What season are y'all in? Where did the link go? Where'd the link go? Where did? How did I mess this up? Oh, so since okay, because y'all are in summer, and I see this right here in Texas, we just have. Wait, hold up. What's my weekly schedule? Let me show you. I'll put this over here. 94, 92, 91, 92, 93, 92, 89, and that's actually a cool day. 90. Oh, okay. Oh, excessive heat. Yeah. Severe heat. Oh, no. Never mind. I'll stop complaining. I just feel like, okay, in Texas, it's just hot. Just continuously just hot, just hot. But like, are y'all more humid than Texas? It's more humid here. It's the humidity that gets people here. 31, 37. So the highs is like 40, what, 46? The lows is like what, 31? 24, 31. Here it's just humid. Low 60s, between low 60s and low 50s. Yeah. You know what weird numbers I don't understand? Celsius. Because the difference between 17 to 16 is like a world of difference. How is Fahrenheit weird? Fahrenheit is more accurate. It makes sense. Because there's so much variation between 16 and 18. There's so much variation. Now, okay, once you get into like scientific terms, yes, Fahrenheit starts to like not make sense, and then Celsius makes sense. But like if we're talking about like outside weather, it makes more sense to use Fahrenheit. See that big variation between 20 and 30, but Kelvin is more specific. That's like, okay, say for example, right here. On one of my machines, I'm able to set the index length, like how far a piece of sheet goes. Either I can do it by one decimal place or two decimal places. And that's really like the world of difference because then you can make a better product. Now, if I'm able to gauge how hot something is by one decimal place rather than two, I'm able to be more accurate in my description if I'm using two decimal places. Man, I kind of made decimal places, so I can't say that. Is it that? Hold up. What? It's not 273. It's a formula to it. Oh, Kelvin. Never mind. I mean, I think I think this is a situation where America probably got something right. Just saying. Just saying. Because it makes sense. It makes sense. Hold up. What is zero? So Celsius is Celsius. Let's do that. 97? 90. Oh, 98.6. Sorry. Yeah. If I'm ever 98.6, I'm probably sick. Yeah. So y'all just innately just know the body or the body temperature. Man, 37. There's so much there's so much variation in that 37. Do y'all use 37 like point 0.7? Like do y'all use like decimal places whenever y'all talk about temperature? I've never seen anyone that uses Celsius use decimal places whenever they're talking about it. Man. Fine. I'll believe y'all. I need to add a dark theme because there's flashbanging people all the time. This isn't gonna work. Don't you need decimal places for weather? But is there a big difference between 32 and 31? Wait, okay, maybe not 32 and 31. Is there a big difference between 21 and 22? I should probably make this strong. To 25 because okay, that's one thing that I will agree with you. Inches, miles, and feet don't make sense at all. Like, they just don't make sense. It's probably best to use milliliter or not milliliter. Well, also milliliter, but millimeter, like centimeter. It's probably best to use those rather than inches. The same way that I feel about inches versus like centimeters is the same way that I feel about Fahrenheit and Celsius, just reversed. Inch is the term. True. That's why I feel like inches is stupid. It's just a waste of time. Or a waste of like it just ugh. Let's do this. Oh, wait a minute. Is Ireland on the imperial system though? All the important stuff is done in metric. True. The major industries. Huh. Also, I am not happy with my height not being. Wait, how tall are you in feet? Let's try to do this. Please don't break. Please don't break. Oh my gosh. Please don't break. Hello? Oh. Stones. Stones is so weird. This doesn't work. Uh huh. Oh, this doesn't work. In feet, I'm 6'3". Is that exact though? I thought you meant like an even number, like 190 or like 200. 6 inches is 70, or 6 feet is 72 inches. Okay, I'm kind of cheating because I use inches at my job to determine like the product size. So I'm kind of cheating. Like I already kind of know. That's a weird calculation. That's what to do 6 feet to centimeters. is wait, wait, hold up. Wait, I'm trying to do it in my head. Hold up. Wait. This music is not helping. It's uh, 250. I'm gonna guess like 253. 253 inches. 6 feet. Wait. I'm terrible. Cause 72, but like, oh, I was thinking. Oh, my bad. Huh? What did they change that? Oh, I was thinking that one. Oops. I was thinking that 1 inch was 3.54. Oh, my bad. See, I thought it was three, not two. Let's try this. Please work. Please work. Please. What? NG4 in here. Group NG4 group name. What? Zone name. What? I'm so confused. And we eat a lot too here, so oops. This didn't work. Nope, this did not work. Okay, wait. Form group name. Heat zones. Zone fields. Let's do that. What is this? What did I just do? What? Oops. Oh, snap. I forgot about the time over there. I can convert to the 24-hour system though. I don't think it's all that hard. Convert, yes, convert because 12 hours is standard here, unless you're like in the medical field or army or military. Every other person uses the 12-hour clock. I mean, some people can't. Wait, do that. Where'd that B come from? Oh, this is more or less what I want. This right here. Now, can. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Zone feels. Two. It's in two. Yeah, to me, it's not that hard, but to some people, it's like rocket science to them. I don't get it though. Oh, wait. Is it possible to make max width like what, 30 px and see what it looks like? Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Don't do that to me. Do you know how much I sacrificed? Wait. Uh, no. I messed up. It's not that, it's this. Max width as that, but I want to see what 30 looks like. What? Oh gosh, I did it in reverse. Oh. I wish the education system here was better, but you know, sometimes it fails people. Oh, not the label. Not the label. Wait. I need. This is wrong. I need the input to be. Let's do that. Why? Is that the entire thing? Oh, it is. Interesting. Interesting. So I need this whole thing to have a max width of 30. What? Heat zones. That's not doing it either. So, ozone field. What does this look like? What does this look like? I might have to lock in now because I'm kind of behind schedule now. Not really. Well, okay, wait. If I hit um let me go to my console. If I do this and then I put in whatever, this, yes, it'll do it. Okay, fine. I'll mess with pixels off stream. Let's do that. Now, what I need to do aside from this is make sure that the F3. No, I really don't have to. What I need to do is make sure. What is this? What? This. No, it doesn't. F3 dot heat zones. Yes, it will have heat zones. And then comma F4 heat zones. Now, where are these located? Where are these located? Oh, oh, oh. So F4 is very different. F4 has top front. F4 has uh name top zone 1, zone 2. But on or off screen, focus on it working. It works. But the next task that I'm gonna have to figure out is um the Firebase. Let me pull up something to see if I'm doing this correctly. Mm, uh, oven main front. Hold up. Oven top. Oh, top front heater. Top. Top main. In feed. So this now. Yeah. Near side, far side. Yeah. So now I can go to F3. What does F3 look like? That's not it. That's not it. Oh, no. Mm. Let's call them 10. For F2? I need to make bottoms, but like name Bottom bottom in feed. But these aren't gonna have set points on them. It's really just gonna be actual value. What's the difference? These aren't gonna have set points. Please don't break. And it broke. All right, fine. No, actually I don't. I'm kind of slacking. I had coffee, but the creamer that I have, I'm trying to be more healthy, but I got a sugar-free version and I forgot that sugar-free is actually disgusting. So, I'm gonna have to go through a whole gallon of sugar-free coffee creamer that is ruining my coffee. Chat, be entertaining. All right, fine. I'll let you know. This is disgusting. Is that 3 liters? It's probably 3 liters. Yeah. Drink it. It's okay. I'm American. My body's is used to it. I drink coffee a lot. Um, Let me look for what I'm looking for. I probably can't find it. This sucks. I probably can't find it. This is garbage. Oh, oh, no. I'm scrolling back all the way to the point where I have busted my finger. This is in 2024. Uh, please. Do I have a picture of these heats? Gotcha. It's creamer, not the milk. I also have a gallon of milk, but it's actually the creamer. I have whole milk. It makes it sweeter, basically. Wait. This would be top front. Top. Oh no. Name. Chat, quick. Chat. You okay? Okay. Come here. All right, coming back up here. Oh yeah, you want to come back. Oh, my back. Let's go all the way to 5. It doesn't have bottoms. Let's do that. That's basically it. Top, front. All right, let's do that. No, it's not dairy. It's just sugar. That's all it is. Dang, there was a point where all of these heaters were working. This sucks. Maybe. I'm an American. I don't care about what they put into the food. I just eat it. If it tastes good, it tastes good. That's all I need for these recipes now. So at this point, now I would be adding all of this to Firebase. So on add, what would this data model look like? Do I already just have the data model? Oh, uh, 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 I kind of don't want this to be that. Like, but would that be bad? Is that? Would that be bad? Also, yeah, I think this is good enough to just put this into a Firestore document, and then I should be done at that point. Yeah, I don't need anything else. Okay. Oops. I need what? Oh, it's not gonna let me do it. Whoops. Yeah, it's fine. The same thing. You should always add another thing that will. These I'm not. Mm-mm. These I don't want to add anything because Copilot was trying to get me to add something, thinking, oh, oh, that's what you mean. Oh, did I add that with my notes already? Oh, yes, I did. Now, in my data model, how did I get that? Auth service. I need to do that. Yeah, let's go ahead and take that. So from here, I think I can kind of do that. Is that in the constructor? No. So from here, and then what I use is that user. Where's that at? When was it created? Oh, I also have the date and time. Wait, what? Why am I not? Oh, I'll just do that. It's here. Fine. I'll just remove it because I don't think that timestamp is reflected anywhere. Almost any database entry should have an owner and a timestamp, especially when it comes to document like things. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I forgot about that. So from here, where my user is, I need to do that. Oh, this whole thing. I need to add this to my add recipe, make this an async thing. Uh, what's causing that? If error, this error message? No. Oh, error messaging. Crap. Success message. Now, in here. Success message. Error message. Because what does that look like in here? Let's do that. Just rip that whole thing off. Yes. So, oh, well. uh, success does not exist on type recipes. It's not going to. What? It's never going to. Oh, my bad.
So from here, also, this is on what? Oh, on submit. Let's do take that. Let's keep that right there. At the top of this, do that. Now, if oh, ooh, what's my second name? I'm confused. If is yes, have at it. Uh, let's do that. Oh, okay. So let's do that. It's almost full anyway, so well, I don't even have validators on here yet. Oh, actually, what am I doing? The ability to this is not gonna have a B timestamp. Why are there so many Firestore things here, but not there? I'm scared. There's nothing coming from there. This doesn't look right. Do I have collection? Yes. Update doc. Where? Where am I using where at? Oh. What works? Oh gosh, I'm doxxed now. Let's say date. Let's do that. Maybe better. So let's try it. Reset. Clear. And do with it. Okay, moment of truth. Uh, for F1. What is this? Daily entry. This is the one for F1. Eh. Hey,
928 950. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be so hurt because then I'm gonna have to redo this all over again. That's far side 450, 450. Index length 2354, 4.5, 1300, 7. Did it work? Oh gosh. Wait. Okay, it worked. It worked. But this right here, I don't like it. As your artist name. Uh, this what timestamp? Timestamp. Oh, fine. I'll use timestamp. Timestamp dot now. Let's try something else. Oh, let's go here to change this not to that, but to a timestamp. Today, what, like two? Sure, just do that. Now I can delete that. I don't want to use that type of timestamp though. It looks ugly to me. I go back here. What does F2 say? Because F2 is really simple. Uh, F2 top main. Oh, wait. What is this prop name? Valley. 190. 196 foot? Yeah, this is 6 foot. What do I put in here? 72 inches, cool. Uh, 600, 655. Front red. 608. And then 600. Bottom, 10.3 and 10.3. 10.3 and 10.3. Near side 715, 715. And far side 125, 85. So 24.23, 7.5, 840, 12. Okay. I really, at this point, I don't need that. Now, what does it look like in the database? All right, perfect. I need to roll that back though. Perfect. In a sane format. A UI improvement for mobile since phones don't have tabs, rows, make it so that when you tap it auto selects everything. I want to see what AI does with that because I'm not understanding exactly you're what's going on or what you mean, partner. What? I'm scared. What? What? Uh-huh. The focus parts. When you tap, it selects it. Let's do it again. Let's try F3. Whoa. Wait a minute. That's what I want to do right there. What? This whole label. No. What is this? What is this called? Zone fields. Zone fields label. But for dot zone fields, I need that to look like no. Uh, with 100%. And also background to be what? Red? Just to see. Yes, so why are you when you tap click on it selects that you didn't copy paste what your AI generated for the select part is important. I think I did. It's right here. But it's throwing errors and I don't know why. What? It's still throwing error. I'm confused. And whenever you tap, will be auto selected. I also don't know if that's something that I want to do. Wait, wait. Let's go back here. This. Why is this whole thing not? Yes. The heck? 0.5. That's not it. Is it 2 or 1? 2, 1. Fix the padding. Uh, what does it say? So these labels, I I want it text wrap, no wrap. Great. But also input or margin. Please? No. That's not it. Block? I think it's flex, right? Yeah, flex. I think it fits though. This doesn't do what I want it to do. Oh well. I'm not fighting with it like that. So this is kind of it. This looks a lot better. It's just that oh wait, text align. That's not it. Let's do that then. Let's see if that works. Uh, okay, wait. Background. No. Hmm. So instead of being that, I could make it. Please move. That works. 100. Also, take these colons off. All of these. Take them off. Yes. Uh, this two line. Do that. And this is kind of weird. What did that say? For the name of that, center these strongs as well. Dot zone field strongs. Whoops. Why is this not absolutely doing that? Hello? Huh? Why is that shaped like that? No. uh, I'm gonna have a very American moment, but please don't judge me. When you ask if I have any like drink near me, huh? Wait, what? You learn something new every day. I did not know that. I just feel hot looking at these. It messed it up. It messed it up. It messed it all the way up. Okay, I'm not using Copilot anymore. Zone What is this? 390? Let's try it. Background. Sure. 290. What is that? Orangina? Is it sold in America? I've never seen this in my life. Really? Hmm. Oh, this is changing the entire thing. That's not what I want. You okay, Trent? You hit your head. Trying to lick yourself. I don't want to embarrass you like that, but you gotta calm down. These strongs aren't gonna be too. I'm not. I know Adidas, yes, but I know Puma as well. I'm not gonna do anything with these strongs. I'm just gonna leave it as is. But this is basically where I wanna have it at. Huh? I feel good that I was able to do it. I'm probably getting off though, because I have some more stuff that I want to do. So, what the heck? Also, I don't like this. Why? Why is it doing that? Is the main not? Which which one do I need to do? Recipes, recipes, have recipes. Everything in here. What? It should have. Hold up. It should have. Ooh. This may break a lot of things. Recipe. That's probably gonna break a lot of things. Max width, that, but also no, not display flex. Please don't make me do a display flex because it's gonna break everything. All those came from Germany? Text online? Hello? This isn't gonna do it. Fine. I'm gonna leave it alone. Huh. I know like Mercedes and stuff and Audi and there's another one. BMW. Yeah. Well, I don't think there's anything that I can really add right now. What I will do, look at this again. And then set where zones. Okay. Okay. Actually change it. Let's do that. Just making sure that everything looks good. before I do this. Oh, one more thing. I don't need to do that. Thank you. It's all really. It's all because of you. You helped. You helped. What? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! This is getting a little bit too wild. Hold up. You should iterate and not. Huh? I don't. Wait. Let's do this again. Let's actually use Gemini for this. I thought Aldi was Swedish. Iterate over form array. Form array. Where did I use that? Oh no. Please don't do that. Form array. Oh. Is that not more verbose? Alright, fine. There we go. Probably you want to do null. Yeah. That looks better. The same brothers? Which string? Oh. Oh. Alright. Alright. Looks good. I am not doing that though. That's it? So for these, all I need to do. Am I ever using recipe? I'm never using that interface. Wow. Okay. I'm never using it. So I don't need this. Interesting. I tried to go about it by using an interface, but I ended up not using it. Okay. This looks so much better. Yeah, it's split. Wait, was this whenever, like, in the '80s, whenever, they had tore down that wall? Oh, wait, that was East and West Germany, never mind. Oh. What would be the reasoning for that? Wait. So Aldi and Trader Joe's are the same company? Just operating under different names? Oh. I'm also not using lines. Lines. Never mind. Use lines. That's cool. This code looks so much more simple than I was trying to make it. Oops. I messed up. Run build. I messed up completely. Is it possible to refresh? Oh gosh. Mm, yeah, okay, check. Oh, oh, okay. Okay. What did I do? Oh, these do nothing. So they're just kind of like here, just being ugly. Oh, this sucks. Hold up. I'll just do it on the next one. Okay. Well, with that being said, I went over an hour over my time. I am not being efficient. But I'll figure out something to code tomorrow with this. I'll try to figure something out. Well, also, I was talking a lot, so that's probably why. But I like talking with y'all. I'm kind of improving with Angular. Kind of. List of recipes. Sort them by time. You're right. You're right. But also do the same thing with the daily entries as well. So that I only see my. Oh, another thing is the Firestore security too. Yeah. Yeah. That would be fun. That would be fun. Okay. No, I'm not gonna talk about it yet. But I have something coming in October regarding this. Like I need to like have this ready and like fully like operational. No. I can't do it. But I really am just focused on making the product good before I get too far ahead of myself. I need to make it like up to the standard that I know I'm capable of. Because in October is gonna. Oh, what's up, Black Cat? Well, okay, wait. I need to stop. I called you Black Cat, but like it's a very different name on YouTube. I just think it's Black Cat now. That's cool. Wait, YouTube has XP now. That's so cool. So I think the more I may really focus on YouTube. Well, the last time you're on YouTube, you commented as well. Yeah, you have XP now. Like for every message that you type, you gain 25 XP. That's cool. Quick, everyone to the YouTube chat now. I'm 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 leaving Twitch forever. I'm not leaving Twitch. But it's crazy that you came now, Black Cat, because I'm about to get off. And I think that you would really like this playlist. I really do think so. But oh, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. I think I'm mentally spent today, so I can't really code anymore. Plus, I'm kind of out of ideas right now. But Ever gave me some ideas. It reminded me of what I wanted to build onto it. Do ads work in YouTube? Oh, they do. But like, at me, does it highlight it? It showed up a menu, but oh, it does. Not in this, but in the YouTube chat, it does. It gives me a little highlight. Oh, you can't see that. Never mind. Hmm. But I think I'm out. I'm out. I need rest. I need rest. Ooh, Ever took Aiden's top spot, by the way. It's heating up. Oh, I'm out. Peace.